In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best TV stands in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. You've bought brand spanking new gaming consoles, but your current TV stand isn't cutting it. Unfortunately, the Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5 aren't as compact as their predecessors, making it harder to fit them in some media consoles. Luckily, the Monarch Specialties TV stand makes for an affordable option, and its open design allows you to show off your latest gaming investments in style. The Monarch Specialties TV stand features a unique cutout section below where you place a TV. Thanks to this shelving gap, there's enough space to accommodate either Sony's or Microsoft's consoles standing upright. Meanwhile, an open section on the right side provides the room you need for a second console. Heck, you can easily squeeze a Nintendo Switch dock on one of the shelves as well. To round out this TV stand, a small drawer is built in and ready to hide away all of your accessories. With all these consoles come lots of wires. Though sadly, this stand doesn't have a cable management system. Number 4. Belly's Sonora TV stand features the hottest design style of the moment, modern farmhouse. The look is warm and unique enough to fit in a modern or traditional home. The stand has the best storage options of the ones reviewed. You'll find open spots for components such as DVRs or gaming consoles, as well as open storage in the center and 2 sections behind doors for hidden storage. The piece looks like an elegant furniture piece that is versatile enough to work as a TV stand, entryway table, or even a dining or kitchen cabinet. Number 3. The Specialties Universal Tabletop TV stand has a sturdy yet attractive frame. The design features the best of both worlds, as you can adjust your view angles without taking up too much space. This TV stand can handle large-size TVs. The tempered glass base can hold up to 143 pounds, making it suitable for hosting larger flat-screen TVs from popular brands like Samsung and Sony. This universal compatibility of these TV stands allows you to host TV models with a display size of 50 to 85 inches. Setting up is straightforward. The package contains clear installation instructions, so you don't need expert assistance to set things up. Aside from setting it up, the Specialties Universal Tabletop TV stand also offers customization options. You can adjust the height of the frame to get a viewing angle that best fits your needs. Since this is a base swivel TV stand, you get additional features like a 100-degree swivel and 4-level height adjustable customization options. Lastly, cable management allows you to keep your cables hidden without resorting to makeshift methods or hiring an electrician. Number 2. If you're looking for a place to rest your massive 75-inch television, the Sonora Studio Street 160B could be its sturdy new home. By all outward appearances, this stand looks like a big wooden block, making it perfect for those going for a clean aesthetic or those who just want everyone to focus on their impressive screen. Alternatively, it's so wide at 65 inches and offers a load capacity of 177 pounds that you should have enough space for your big display while featuring either or both of the next-gen consoles. And if for some reason you need to move the stand, there are hidden casters in each leg to make it easier. Of course, the box that is the Sonora Studio Street 160B opens up, providing ample of storage. Behind the front panel are 6 large compartments with an almost completely open back, giving your devices plenty of room for ventilation. You may understandably be worried that the completely opaque front fascia will limit control of your streaming box and other devices. However, you get an integrated infrared repeater, allowing you to control up to 8 devices without having to drop down the front panel. This feature means you get a sleek, streamlined look whether your TV is on or off. Speaking of streamlined, there are routing holes between each compartment and even one behind the TV, which should keep cables organized and your setup looking clean and clutter-free. Number 1. If you're tight on space or just have a smaller TV, the Modway MidCentury TV stand is the perfect compact stand option. It totes a classic, aesthetically pleasing design with a sturdy build but measures only 48 inches wide and 13.5 inches deep. That makes it ideal for a more modest 48-inch or 42-inch TV. Alternatively, this could be the perfect platform to elevate your large gaming monitor. Modway's MidCentury TV stand features a classy walnut grain veneer, legs that won't scuff up the floor, and a slatted sliding door to help conceal whatever electronics lurk inside. Adjustable shelving means you can even fit the extra thick PS5 or Xbox Series X on their sides. There are also a few holes in the back of the stand to ensure you don't have a bunch of unsightly cables hanging out everywhere. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.